For the given strings string 1 and string 2, we need to find the largest string x that divides both string 1 and string 2. If such a divisible string exists in both the strings, then we should be able to represent both the strings as multiples of x. Here in this case, we can see that x equal to js is the largest string that can divide both the strings. Therefore, both the strings concatenated in any order should give the same result. Therefore, for the given two strings, the length of the largest string x that divides both the strings will be the greatest common divisor of lengths of both the strings, which is 2 in this case, which clearly gives us the answer js. Now let's code the solution. For the common string to exist, concatenation of both the strings in any order must be equal. If so, we will find the greatest common divisor of the lengths of both the strings. This will be the length of largest string that divides both strings, and we will return the result. Also, if there are no greatest common string, then we will return an empty string. Let's run the solution. It's working. See you in the next video.